Okay, hi everyone again. We're in step 2 of the week 2 lab, and I have already created a frequency distribution in the last step, and now I'm going to create my histogram. So what I first need to do is I need to create my bins, my ending bin, let's say, number here. So in this case I have 62 for the first one, 65, 68, 71, and 75. Okay, so these are the ending values for each of my bins or groups. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to now use the histogram in Excel, and you can find this under Tools in the Data Analysis tool pack here, which you should have, and just click histogram. Okay. Okay, the input range now is my heights. Okay, it's 1 to 8, 1 to 36. The bin range now is the one I just created. Oh, here it is. So it's F2 through F7. It's already selected. And the output range, I'm going to put this in just right here. And make sure you click on Chart Output, okay? So click on OK. So notice here that you have the bin range and the frequency distribution, which should match the one that you had. It has a more row here, which we don't want. So let me just make this smaller. Just click on the green, like that little box there, and just drag this up so it doesn't have the more on it. So it actually disappeared from the histogram right here. And in the bin, you can, what I'm going to do is just to have this display on the histogram, I'm going to copy these groups here and copy them right here. So then you can see them change in your histogram here area, the chart area. Okay, let me make this bigger. Okay, so we have frequency and bin here. Actually, I'm gonna change this. Just click on, okay. So frequency, I'm gonna make this, yeah, frequency is fine. And for bin, I'm gonna just make this height, like heights. And, well, actually it doesn't change here. Let me just change it right here. Heights. And here the frequency is fine, and the histogram, like a histogram of heights, can be the title. And okay, now this is not a correct like histogram because histogram bars need to touch. So let me go to my chart design here, and from the quick layout you can choose this version where the bars are touching here. Okay, so this looks fine. Well, one last thing is that you can actually have like lines coming down, so it's a little bit prettier. So just right click on one of these bars here. You just right click and go to format data series, I think. Let's see here. Click on the little bucket and go to border solid line, and you can choose a color. Just choose it to be black here. And you can do more things here, you know, just play around with this, but this should look better. Yeah. Okay, so we are done. Thank you.